Hi guys, here's how you can delete your business profile on Facebook. Now for that, quickly log into your Facebook account and make sure you switch your profile. Now after that, simply go to business.facebook.com. Then simply click here and you will see the list of your business profiles. Now choose the business profile you want to delete and then click on the settings icon. Then click on business info. Now here you can click on permanently delete business and delete profile. This is the final warning to delete your business profile. If it was a mistake, click on don't delete business or else click on back to Facebook. Please note the portfolio will be on pending deletion for 24 hours. And this way you can delete your business portfolio account for Facebook. Thank you very much.